You don't have to write markup to change a document. Describe what you want in ordinary English, and the assistant rewrites the template for you, showing exactly what it changed before you decide whether to keep it. The assistant opens on the left, already knowing which document you're editing. If you're not sure what to ask for, the starter chips are real, sensible changes for this document type. Be specific about what you want and where it goes. Asking for a bold packing slip heading above the items table gives the assistant something it can place, where asking it to make the template look nicer leaves it guessing. Send it, and the assistant reads the whole template before it changes anything: the layout, the variables already in use, and the styling you have set. That takes a few seconds on a template this size. It is rewriting the markup for you rather than pasting a snippet in, which is why it can put the heading in the right place instead of at the top of the file. Every change arrives with a plain English summary of what it did, so you can judge it without reading the markup. When you want the detail, switch to diff, and it shows the exact lines it added, changed, or removed. Because the change is already in the editor, the button you want is undo. It puts the template back exactly as it was. Retry reruns the same request when the wording was right, but the result wasn't. The assistant only ever touches the editor, never the saved template. Keep the change by saving the template, and if you would rather not, close without saving and nothing it did is kept.
For the full written guide, visit skew.io/docs.